Oh my days, 50x on Pachinko. Bro,
You look like a penguin, bro. Thanks. 20x on Pachinko.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Doesn't go through, it gets censored automatically. Like, you don't really gain much from it, so just be careful. Yeah, Cutie, the top winner with the 3.5 thousand. Let's go! I love you, you changed my life. Oh, thank you, man, that means a lot coming from you. I appreciate that, sir. All right, everybody, time for the next spin. Woo! Spin is made, good luck. How are you allowed to do this? What do you mean? I'm spinning the wheel, man. 3x on Pachinko. Hey, I'm Paulie, I'm just walking here. I like your golden microphone, bro. Thank you. That's pretty nice. We got a crazy arm as well. That's also pretty nice. Am I right, guys? Or am I right? Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a little peek inside. Come on. Hey, hey, hey. What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? Ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Crazy Town bonus game. Choose one of the flappers, green, blue, or yellow. Make your choice and then we'll go from there. All right, everybody ready? 100x max multiplier. Good luck. Woo! I have 50 on green, 10x on blue, and double trouble on the yellow flapper. Ladies and gentlemen, 200x max multiplier. Good luck. Yes. Oh snap, that's gonna be another double in the building. Ladies and gentlemen, the biggest multi, 400x for the yellow flapper potentially there. Good luck yet again. Woo! And that's a 200x, baby, for the yellow flapper. $6,247 winners. Let's go, baby. Priority with at 20,179 winners. Rugby's the top winner. Let's go play rugby. 17,000. Place your bets. Prepare for the spin. Let's go, guys. That's toxic. I mean, it is toxic, but like some people really do view it like that. I find it to be super weird. That's why like I never get what like I never get how people can like, you know, like somebody like gets success, you know, they start up a successful business, they start doing good in life, and like all the people around them, like the jealousy seeps in. 7x on CoinFlip, it's like, oh yeah, dude, you probably didn't even like really do anything, you just got lucky with your business. Like, is it really, come on, CoinFlip, stay there, please. Yes, thank you. Like, is it really that hard to say like, man, that's so cool that you did that, like, I'm so happy that your business was successful, and I'm so happy that like you are good, your family's good. Like, it's so easy to just be supportive of people, but like, man, like, I mean, it's just jealousy. I don't know, like, it's human nature. I feel like you can't really, I mean, some people have it like that, some people don't. I don't know. But we need to look more into it. 3x on red, 15 on blue. Hold that thought, it's gonna be actually more. 21 on red and 105x on blue. Gulp. No pressure, right guys? Good luck. Hey, it's your boy OMG, guys. I am the king of coin flip. Don't you ever disrespect me again. Sit down. Daddy's home. I'm kidding. Hey, love you guys. We got 12,023 winners. Woo! Andre with a 98,000. Let's go, baby. Raphael, 37,000. Player with the 32,000. Woo! That's what I like to see. Yes, sir. Yes, sirree. Betting time, guys. 21x, of course. LOL, Max. LMAO. Not this time, buddy.
Right, so what's next? Well, crazy time it is. So, I guess annoying Santa got us some crazy time. Let's go, guys. Hopefully the multiplier is gonna be less annoying. Here we are. Welcome, welcome, everybody. It's nice to see some more bonuses drop it in. So this is already the second one from 4 possible ones. So all you have to do here now is choose your flapper, guys. That is up to you now. Choose and pick a less annoying flapper. The green, the blue, the yellow, up to you there. And the highest multi here stands as 100x. So good luck, everybody. Alright. Yellow, we got double for the middle flapper, which is the blue flapper, guys. So, okay, now it is 200x, unless, of course, we hit some more doubles. Good luck. Okay, I don't know how about you, but this is quite exciting. 200x for the blue flapper. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. 2.7k of total winners here for this one. Congratulations, absolutely, to all who got this nice win. 200x just now on a blue flapper. Absolutely amazing. 25x to the rest of the flappers, guys. Well, moving on.
Hola, chilada, how you doing? All right, gotta stop streaming. Maybe you could get that crazy time there. I don't know. Yeah, crazy time. Why are you following me? Hey, hey, stop following me. Alright. Anyways, well, since you decided to join, green, blue, yellow, everybody. That is going to be the situation in a few seconds you could choose. And then green, blue, yellow. Oh, there's a triple possible. Whoa. Triple. Yeah, penguins. Penguins. Hey. Hooray with the penguins, everybody. Hooray with the penguins. That's 200x or a triple or a double. Penguins. Yeah. Let's go. Oh, 50x on the blue, 50x yellow, and a beautiful 200x on the green flapper. Yeah. Oh, 3,995 winners, green flapper, my studs, my warriors, my champions. Oh, congratulations, everybody. That was alright. Yeah. Good luck, ladies and gentlemen. In the next round, let's play some more.
Number 1, 25 times more. What do I earn per hour? Sorry, man. Secret. But okay, it's like 1 million jelly beans. Pachinko. Ooh, well, from one game to another, shall we? Let's have fun. Pachinko. Multipliers. Alright, starting off with 3. 10, 15, 20, 40, 50, 200. Sheesh. Well, haven't seen 200 yet today. Down there it is. Alright, and we are dropping above it. Sweet. Well, 200x, biggest multiplier. Good luck. Hold up. It's scary, because there's that 7x. Oh, hey. Woo! Bullseye! Ladies and gentlemen, actually got him. We actually got him. Actually got the 200x, baby. High five. Mango Man for the best. Let's go. Let's go, people. Last seconds. New round. Are you ready? Oh, that hyped me up. That hyped me up. The way it was bouncing.
Hello, Canon. What's up? Is Lazio near Slovakia? No, not really. I wouldn't say so, but not really far away either. Hey, Pachinko time! Woo, 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 woo. We did it! We got it! Woo! Let's go! That's my little man. Stop flirting, do your job instead. I have no job. Sorry. We have 3x, the lowest one. A lot of silver, and 200 is the highest one. Sorry for body rockin'. Are you ready? Woo! Let's go down. Let's get down to business. Please, 200, baby. Woo! We got it! Woo! We did it! Woo! 200x of Pachinko! 7,312 winners and the Reds up in 51,387 euro win. Woo! Let's go! And that's a close.
A few with money. More than 1.2 thousand for the 1122 Hatsas, almost 560 Lash. Their best win. Haley Berry, oh, Lucas. Who is singing that song, buddy? We have some mutant in the chat. How many hands you have over there, DK? Dude, you're like Spider-Man. And I'm like 5x on Pachinko. Let's go, boys and girls! Stop trying to be funny, I don't need to be funny to give you that Pachinko! Jokes on me, money on you, let's go! So the smallest multiplier will be 10, let me check my mathematics skills, that's like 25, 35, 50, 70, 500, oh me or my, you fast! 250! 250! There you are! Right next to double, right next to 175. Let's go! Let's get you 250 or maybe double or maybe 175 or maybe something outstanding anyway. I am not funny, sorry. Ooh, double, 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 double! Double! Double, 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 that's 500! See! Let's go! Pum 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 pum. We need 500, another double. Oh, I love your direction. Go, go, yeah, baby, yeah, baby, yeah, baby, yeah, baby. Still, yeah, baby, 350, oh, we 350, 350, almost 4.4 thousand of you with money, 170 plus for free, almost 40,000 second best win, more than 35, third one, hip, 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 hooray! 175 from the Pachinko, baby, woo! Let's get
Carrots, do you eat them or do you put them in the soup? Tell me. 7,762 winners. The betting time is yours. We actually don't want you to leave. Aw, that's sweet. Nice. Run for your life, guys! Mr. President, get down the street of Mars! You look like a penguin, bro. Thanks. 20x on Pachinko. Positive vibes only. No, we do not. I have no kids. Come on! Yes! Thank you! Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, settle down. You know, hold your horses. It ain't over. So we say it's over. I mean, that's gonna be a 2x as the start. 5, 7, 10, 15, 20, 35, 40, 200, a double. Oh, buddy. 20x multiplier. Boom! Okay, 4,000x. Biggest multiplier, smallest one is 40. We also got that double. Okay, no. Hey guys, you know what they say, no pressure, am I right? Good luck. Okay. Let's go. Come on, baby. Come on, is this it? Is this the one? Okay, it's gonna be a 200x, baby. Boom! Look at that bad boy right there. Woo! Woo! Give me a high five. Bam! Congratulations to the winners. 11,126 winners. Andre with 186,000. Rafael with a 35 and Player with a 30K. Okay. Betting time is yours. Nice. Oh, buddy. That was good. Time for the next spin, guys. Spin.
Why one, man? Only just got a lot of ones on the wheel. Odds are we'll land on one of them. Ladies and gents, next round, next spin, next opportunity coming your way. Newcomers also, hello, welcome. Bro, you talk too much. Maybe you listen too much. I'm just saying, right? Well, ladies and gents, good luck to all of you. Oh my days, 50x on Pachinko. Bro, second 50 up for grabs. Would you rather cuddle? I missed the cuddling question. Wait. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen! Oh my days, can you see what's going on? Oh, well, this is quite exciting. Well, hey, ladies and gentlemen. You know what I mean? Hey. The pressure is on. 3 to begin with. Get that 3 out of here. 5, 7, 10, 15, 20, 35, 40, 50, 100, double, 50x on top. Ladies and gentlemen, there's a 5,000x. Bro, look at them lines. 2,000, 1,750, 1,000, 2,000. Bro, can we hit a double though? That is the question at this point in time. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish you all the very best of luck. Bro, I'm mega nervous right now. Oh my days. Where are we going? Don't disappoint me, baby. Don't do this to me. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we take 1,000x. Yes, please and thank you. 1,000x coming your way. Don't mind if I do. 9,736 winners. 409,000, 400,000, 250,000 as the top 3 wins. Oh my days. Well, congratulations, compliments. Let's go for the next round. Whew. I'm all right with that. I'm okay. Hope you guys are okay with that as well. Ladies and gentlemen,